so he is in a better place kujua kama iko.
Friends, karibuni to articulate a number of session where you want to interact with us. So I'll invite...
As governor and a teacher of constitutional law, I'm aware that constitution making or changing of constitution is one of the most critical activity that citizens must be informed about and freely engage in. Constitutions, unlike statutes, endure for generations. Decisions made today about the constitution will certainly affect generations to come, likely for decades. Beyond the enduring nature of provisions of the constitution, a constitution is important for many other reasons. In a society like ours, a constitution affects people's daily economic fortunes. We have seen, for example, the impact introducing devolution through our constitution has in people's daily lives, with marked improvement on agriculture, infrastructure, and provision of other means of livelihood, such as water and basic health care. It is for these reasons, and especially how the Constitution affects people's lives, livelihood, and freedoms, that I believe that any proposal to amend the 2010 Constitution must be assessed with utmost seriousness. The enduring nature of any amendments we make to the Constitution imposes on us, as leaders, the responsibility to ensure changes that we propose are not motivated by personal gain, but by a duty of patriotism to our country, the need to facilitate positive progress for our country, and importantly, we believe that whatever changes proposed advance the socio-economic well-being of the people of Kenya. The 2010 Constitution has provided us with a strong foundation for a nation that is governed by the rule of law and that strongly cares and works to achieve socio-economic advancement of the Kenya people based on the values enumerated in Article 10. In my view, the values in Article 10 must be our minimum checklist in deciding whether to and what type of constitutional amendments we need. Proposed BBI constitutional amendments. In this regard, I reflected a lot on the proposed constitutional amendments by the Building Bridges Initiative, BBI, and I was concerned how much the motivation to bring about the proposed changes and the process being used to effect the changes meet the values and principles in Article 10 of the Constitution. I was also concerned how much that process aligns with the constitutional principles of the sovereignty of the people and the supremacy of the Constitution, including the requirement that anything done in the name of the Constitution, and that includes amending the Constitution, must be done in accordance with the Constitution.